everybody, so today I'm going to be attempting to do a triple blindfold, although I decided to do a quick Q&A to address some questions, and thank you guys so much. We reached 100 subscribers here on the Creamy Cookie fam and my Pixie tribe, my CreamPuffs, however you want to address it. So I'm going to answer a few quick questions, which I wrote down in my book thing. So, are you a professional contortionist? Technically, no. I film YouTube videos on contortion, and I've done contortion for quite a while now, in my opinion. And I'd like to say that I'm pretty good at contortion, so if that counts for anything, then yes. But no, I'm technically not a professional. Do you have social media? Actually, yes, I have I've been getting a lot of questions about that, so I just put it in there. I have Twitter called CreamyCookie369, which you can check out if you want to. And then I also have a TikTok called CreamyCookie369. They're both really cheesy. Well, maybe not my Twitter as much, but still. They're not that good. I also have Snapchat technically, but I don't really post anything, so it's not really important checking that out. Are you a dancer? No, I've never done dance in my life. I'm thinking about doing dance maybe next year, though. Are you a gymnast? I've actually been considering going into gymnastics. My mom's been suggesting it and stuff, and I've been considering seeing if I could do it with a friend or something. But I did do gymnastics for 1 year when I was 6. I haven't done gymnastics in a long time, and I could barely do a cartwheel when I left, so that doesn't really mean anything. So the answer would be no. Are you naturally flexible? Maybe 2%. Most of my flexibility is built through a lot of hard work, stretching, and training. So yeah. Can you do a video? Oh wait. What's most flexible about you? Probably my back and my spine. That is what I built the most flexibility on first before I started learning how to do the splits and stuff. Fun fact, I actually only learned how to do the splits recently on each leg, and it's a lot improved now. It doesn't even feel pain anymore when I do the splits, which is great. And then I filmed an oversplits tutorial around the time after I got my splits, which was funny because I got a request before I officially completely had my splits on both legs, which is pretty ironic and hilarious. Can you do a video from all angles? I have been getting so many requests about this. I'm trying. It's actually very hard to film that, surprisingly, and it takes a lot of time. So I will be working on that. I've been trying to do more angles, more videos, and they should be coming up soon when I do more and more angles, and I'll be working on that throughout time, so it'll be a time process, but it still should happen. What's my favorite Starbucks drink? I have been trying some new ones lately, some new frappuccinos. Actually, the last update vlog I filmed, I was drinking a s'mores frappuccino, which I never tried, and it was delicious, but currently my favorite Starbucks drink would have to be the vanilla bean frappuccino. What was my favorite comment I received? Okay, so I received this comment from a very wonderful subscriber of mine. A very wonderful cream puff in the cream puff audience. I can't pronounce her username, or his username, I don't know. But they said, a creamy video day keeps the doctor away, which I just thought was really sweet. So thank you. How did I get so flexible? Do a lot of training and hard work. I've spent quite a bit of time doing this, so yeah. How old am I? I am 12 years old. I just turned 12 years old last month, and awesome. How long have you been doing contortion for? I've been doing contortion for 1 year, so that is how long I've been doing contortion and training and stretching for. I really like it, and I really enjoy it, honestly. So yeah. Now that that's done with, I'm going to attempt to do a triple blindfold. So first, I'm going to be right back because I'm going to go put my shoes in my room, because doing it with shoes on seems dangerous because I could kick my face with my shoes, and that sounds painful. But thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Tell me if there's anything special you guys want me to do for it, and I'll make sure to get it up by Friday, because I don't really have a video planned for Friday currently. I'll be uploading a video this Thursday, next Thursday, and I shouldn't be doing too many more requests, maybe 2 requests per week plus my 12 Days of Christmas special, and then I can go back to like however many probably. Though keep in mind, I have school and stuff, so that makes it very hard to manage. So I do work very hard on this channel, and I really appreciate it that I got 100 subscribers. I love you all, and thank you so much. If you have requests, don't be afraid to ask, and I'll make sure to get it done eventually, sometime in this month at least. Usually the week. So yeah. So I know bits and pieces of what a triple twinfold is, but I'm going to officially be looking up a tutorial and trying to follow along with it. So shout out to whoever this YouTuber is that I find. Triple twinfold torsion tutorial. I'm gonna find a good video, then I'll be back, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but I'll certainly try. I couldn't find a tutorial, so I just looked up images, and I actually know I've actually seen things on how to do this, so we'll try. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. It's a very difficult looking move. So basically, you go into a chest stand, and you put your ankles on your, like you hook them to your hips, and then you have to fold while keeping your chest down and straight. You'll see what I mean. But it looks hard to do, but I'll try. Okay. Back bend. Oh, I better back up the camera. Sorry, guys. Not sure if you guys can see our new TV in the background. That's great. I should have stretched my back before I did this. Yeah, that's not safe. You should always stretch before you attempt this kind of stuff. And I didn't, which was dumb. Because my back felt really stiff when I got up there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go follow Creamy Corky's new back stretching routine, and then I'll be back. Check that out. I think I'm good now. So let's try this. So I'm gonna, by the way I'm doing it while it's helping me get balance. Balance, why? It's actually really hard to do. I'm gonna try to do it without the wall. So I'm gonna try like pulling into a tight pretzel and then pushing my knees back and trying to bend them. Seems hard. So, kick off pretzel. Fall. Okay. That didn't work. That was more chest roll than anything. That's good. Let's try that on the wall again. This is actually really hard. Typically when I try to learn moves, I practice them a few times and I make sure to do a lot of stretching. But it's not like it's not like my back flexibility has really increased since doing this. Since back then is. Oh. think I may have done it for a split second. That was... I honestly felt like my back stretched when I did that. That was good. I want to try this move more. Honestly, I've been looking for new moves to try and to learn. So this is a challenge for me, and I don't get challenged. Like, when you first learn contortion and you get flexible and stuff, you don't typically get challenged for a while until you learn about more advanced moves. So I really like this. Thank you, whoever commented this. I know who you were. Shinhai. I don't know how to say it. Sorry if that's wrong. Sorry. You guys can see my hand. That's my friend wrote a Japanese character because we're learning about some Japanese words in art class. It says life. Yeah. Let's try that again. That actually was like really nice. I'm not sure if you guys heard my back crack, but it made a really loud crack sound, which was funny, in my opinion. Probably shouldn't be doing this with a necklace on. It's probably not safe. I'm not taking it off though. Yikes. That failed. Maybe I could try to do it like this. Nope. How? This, no joke, this is actually a really challenging move. I like it! I'm gonna be at this for like half an hour until I actually get it. I wanna get it. I'm gonna go do some hardcore training real quick. You guys can watch my hardcore training. Let's try to raise this to my shoulder upside down like this. I love how my hair just doesn't agree with me like this. It's funny. Ow, I pulled my hair out with my foot. How does that happen? I think I'm ready, guys. I think I'm ready. Time to attempt again. Let's scooch this back some. Oh yeah, that's a good view. Now you guys can actually see what I'm doing. By the way, guys, if you guys aren't very flexible and don't have advanced back flexibility, I would not even attempt this move, because honestly, if it's stretching my back out, my back flexibility is somewhat advanced, I'd say, if I had to weight myself, so beware. Try your own risk. That flopped. Let's try it again. I think I'm going to attempt one more time. And let's see if we get it or if we don't get it. first I'm gonna get water, because even I'm starting to get head wash. 99. 100. 101. I think I'm ready, guys. Let's do this. You can go now, okay? Bye. Bye. Okay. So, guys, let's try. Let's go. I got it for a second, I think. Maybe. E. Eh. That is a lot. Hold on. Then it looks. Oh well, guys. I'm going to be practicing my move. And I'm going to get it, and then I'm going to upload a tutorial on it because I cannot find a very good tutorial for this. I love you guys. Peace out, CreamPuffs. Thank you for 100 subscribers. When we get 500 subscribers, I'll probably do another special. But for now, please give me recommendations on what to do for 100 subs, because honestly, I have no clue. I love you all so much. Have a great day, CreamPuffs. Peace out. Meow.